Hello, hello. My name's Devin, and I am the owner of Omnipresence. Maybe you've seen it, maybe you haven't. You will see it a lot more soon. Taking my dog out for a walk. Beautiful day. So basically, real quick, just to kind of give a quick synopsis of what my company is about, we literally make you omnipresent. We're going to give you the ability to have thousands of videos posted across all social medias daily, and I said thousands, you heard it correctly. We're going to give you the ability to have about, up to about 10,000 emails, not just cold emails, but literally targeted, sent out daily. And on top of that, we have an AI employee call center, essentially. So you won't have to worry about ever missing another phone call ever again. It doesn't matter if you're asleep. It doesn't matter if it's 3 o'clock in the morning. It doesn't matter if you have an appointment. It doesn't matter if your normal receptionist has an emergency, go pick up her kid from school, or his kid, whatever, from school, or some sort of family emergency. It doesn't matter if someone gets sick. This AI assistant's gonna always be there to answer the phone, and they're gonna sound happy to do it. Okay? They're gonna get the information they need, and they're gonna book it on your calendar any time of day or night, for that matter. These are the 3 things that my company does for you. It makes you literally omnipresent, right? Okay, now that we got that out of the way. With that being said, I've tried working with a lot of different companies, roofers and things like that. And a lot of times when it comes down to the marketing, you guys hear certain words and you want to get cheap all of a sudden. I do my own, I got a guy for leads, or I try paying for leads. You guys always want somebody to do the work first, but you don't want to pay for the work. A lot of times it's like, hey, well, can you do this for a couple weeks first and let's see if it works? As if you would start working on someone's roof for a couple of weeks before getting paid. Totally fine. Okay, whatever. I'm a Christian man and following in the footsteps of Christ, right? And he didn't ask for people to pay him. He just performed miracles. He went from place to place and he performed miracles. And he told people, don't tell nobody. But it was so wonderful that they told anyway. That's a beautiful business model. So this is what I'm gonna do for you. All those things that I just named, I'm gonna make it to where you don't have to pay me personally a cent. I'm not gonna charge you, me personally. I am going to, however, ask that you pay for the tools that I use to implement these things for me to do the work. That is something you would pay for regardless, and honestly, it's not very expensive at all. If you can't pay for that, you don't need to be in business or do whatever you've been doing. But to get started, all you'll need to do is pay for the tools that I use. I use 3 tools, and really it's just so you can do things from your end, essentially, right? Or have connection with things from your end. But I'm gonna do all the work. I'm gonna set everything up. I'm gonna make sure it all runs the way it needs to run. Okay? And then I'm gonna tell you, don't tell nobody. But you're gonna tell people, because that's just the beauty of what it is that I do. I know that you don't know who I am. You don't trust me yet. So let's build that trust. I'm gonna leave my number either up there or depending on the type of video or where I post this in the comments, or both really. And you need to contact me. I'm gonna send you a demo number, actually. I'll send you a demo of me using the software for calls. And if you want, I'll send you the number. You can call the software yourself, ask it all the questions you want, get an idea for yourself. Be like, you know what? Ask it to set up an appointment. All this stuff. It's a demo, of course, right? You see how it works. You're gonna like it. You're gonna love it. And after that, you give me a call and we'll go over everything. We'll get going. We'll get set up. Sounds good? Good. Everybody likes to make some money. So let me help you make some money. Let me make that miracle. Look forward to talking to you soon.